At DigiArt Design Services, our expertise lies in creating top-notch digital veneers for 6-unit cases using advanced dental software. Our highly skilled team specializes in designing precise, aesthetically pleasing, and functional veneers that are tailored to meet each patient's unique requirements. We are committed to ensuring that every design seamlessly blends with the patient's natural features, allowing for easy placement. By harnessing the power of cutting-edge CAD/CAM technology, we deliver accurate, long-lasting designs that are optimized for a variety of materials, including lithium disilicate, zirconia, and composite resins. We work in collaboration with dental labs and clinics globally, providing remote design services to fulfill your needs efficiently and cost-effectively. Our streamlined process guarantees quick turnaround times without compromising on quality, making us a trustworthy partner for outsourcing. Whether you require assistance with a single case or ongoing design support, DigiArt is prepared to bring your ideas to life.